Hello, Beez Bladers. Welcome back and welcome newcomers to the channel. I have actually four new VOSTEED knives to share with you. I'm going to take them out, tell you what I think about it. One of them, I can't remember which one of them I've already had it in my pocket, and oh, it is so fine. And the kicker is the name is being changed. So what it was called, it is no longer. We were talking about this one on the last live stream, and if you were there, well, you know which one we're talking about. Here's one version, and look at this. It comes in a very nice heavy-duty case. And let's get the other two out, and then we'll talk about it just a little bit. These knives are so sweet. This is the most premium knife that has come out from VOSTEED thus far, and oh my goodness, wait until you see it. And it's a collab. We have a collaboration from VOSTEED and RS Knife Works, and this is, I mean, it is mean. It is really mean, and I hope you are having a fantastic day, because I know I am. I mean, how could I not? Look at this awesome knifeness. I'm just gonna wipe these bad boys off really quick so I don't get it all over the table. They come out of the box lubed for your pleasure, and I don't know which one we want to look at first. Oh my goodness, are you ready? This is the VOSTEED and RS Knife Works Top Liner Lock MHET series, yet to be named. Yeah, that's right, you heard me. And if you're in the knife community and you're wondering what is that all about, well, stay tuned, you're gonna find out. Look at this bad boy. It is absolutely a gem with the mean lines. I love the lines on the back that match the lines on the top of the blade, and the gold pivot and the gold hardware. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. But if I don't show you this now, we won't ever get to it. Let's go all the way around. And yes, it is centered. And look at that. Look at that pocket clip. I love the black and gold. It just looks so fancy. And you ready to see this blade? Pow! Right in the kisser. Oh, mama, would you look at this Wharncliffe compound grind. It looks so mean, and it is such a usable blade. I'm going to show you two different blade shapes and what both variants look like. But first, we got to go all the way down and take a good look. This is there's PVD titanium coating on this blade, and the other one is a satin blade. And moving all the way down, look at this. It has a huge forward finger choil, and I was fortunate enough to get number 4. And look at all that real estate for your index finger. And look at on the inside, this is a liner lock that's operated by the button. Check it out. Is that not the coolest thing ever? It kind of reminds me of using a CME on a Spyderco, except for it's built in. It has a wicked titanium back spacer that goes about 3/4 of the way, gives you a little bit of jimpage back here, dig-a-dig, and oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, wait a minute, before I skip it, we do have some pretty good jimping up here, and it's not a whole lot of push button, but when you push button, it works. When I first got it, when I first handled it, I said, am I gonna be able to push button? But yes, but look at this. The jimping works so incredibly well, and oh, the action is so good. Let me get the other versions out. That's the Wharncliffe blade. Now look at this, modified sheep's foot, baby. Just a little bit different, and to put them up next to each other, that gives you an idea. So if you have a preference between a warny, or if you're feeling a little warny, there are subtle differences. Like me, I really like it when my tip goes down. Wait, did I just say that? I like it when the tip of my knife goes down farther below the pivot. It enables me to really do those opening packages and utility cuts. But there's that version. There's that version. And now check this one out. Ooh, yeah, the non-coated version. Now, this is a prototype that I've had since Blade Show. And yeah, well, you know, I've been checking it out. What can I say? I didn't know what version was going to be sent. This is the same thing, but the final version. And look at this. We have a copper pivot collar that is so nice. You have Bowler M390 blade steel. Now overall, these are 8.4 inches long. You have a 3.44 inch blade. The sharpen length is right there on the nose at 3 inches. They weigh 5.5 ounces, and you have 2 blade styles. And wow, you can also get this in the Wharncliffe. So if you're feeling a little warny and you want to get the satin in the Wharncliffe, they also have that version. Now here's the thing. They released these and they sold out super fast. I'm going to move these out of the way so I can show you the Ergos, but they released them. They sold out super fast, but they are dropping another batch, and that's why I have this video out right now, because they're getting ready to drop another batch at 10 p.m. August 27th Eastern time, you're gonna be able to get one of these, and these will sell out. And it's ambidextrous, even though it doesn't have a reversible clip. And by the way, it has a very nice titanium clip. Nothing down there to grab your pocket. It's in and out of the pocket very well. And you do have a big lanyard hole back here. And this is such a gorgeous knife. If you're a knife collector and you're looking for some bad archery, that is some bad archery. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you won't miss what's coming up next on Beez Blades. My hand's 4 inches from here to here, 3.5 from here to here, and from the bottom of my palm to the tip of my middle finger is 7.25. And yes, the Ergos are absolute money. There's no hot spots. It has such good grip. And if you had extra large hands, you're set. You're not gonna have any problems. And the reverse grip on this bad boy, it's comfy. The finish is to die for. And let's see, this one, nothing left and right, up and down. This one, oh my goodness. I mean, they are solid as a fixed blade. This one, same thing. I don't even know how it's so smooth with it being that rock solid. So you not only have two very good blades, you have the fidget factor. So if you like reverse flick, oh man. And the fact that, look at this, full choil. You can get right up here next to the heel and really get in it. And this is a working knife. This is no joke. This not only is this is going to be a safe queen for some folks, and for other folks, they're going to put this to good use. I haven't 100% decided which blade shape I like better. They're both so good and they both serve such a good purpose. But looking for nitpicks, I don't always wait for nitpicks to come out. I kind of look for them when I'm checking knives out. And the jimping is so good on the reverse. The action works so well, and I love this button feature on that liner lock. It's something I wanted to check out to see if there's a difference between the PVD titanium coated or the satin to see if it's smoother. And the satin, I would have to say, yeah, it comes down just a little bit smoother, but not by much. And you're not gonna have to worry about that because when you get one with a coated blade like this, it's always gonna wear in and just get smoother with time. This one is just as smooth as this version here. So there's the VOSTEED RS Knife Works Top Liner Lock MHET series. Tell me what you think about them. Do you want one? Do you really want one bad? If you do, I'll have links in the description and in the comment section where you can go check them out, because when they drop at the time I told you earlier, they're gonna be gone fast. I don't even think there's a whole 100 of them. When they dropped last time, I went to look on the site and they were already sold out. So if you go to the site and it says sold out and it's not 10 p.m. Eastern time yet, that means they haven't dropped yet. So if I were you and you want to get in on this, I'd be sitting there waiting. So I hope you enjoyed checking out the MHET series from VOSTEED. Tell me what you think. Go watch this video. You're really going to enjoy that. And until I see you in the live streams or the Hive stream every Friday night at 8:15 Eastern time, remember, live life in the present, keep a Band-Aid handy, and don't cut yourself.